Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video we'll be unboxing the new Galaxy J8 2018 and I'll be giving you guys my opinions to buy this or not. So with that being said, let's get started. Now starting off with the unboxing, first things first, in the box is the Galaxy J8 2018 itself. Here we have the black color, so peel the plastic off, and also that sticker towards the back, and that reveals the good black color. It has already taken some fingerprints, but it is a full unibody metal construction. Next you have some reading materials, so quick start guides, SAR values, warranty information, and just product information in general, and also you need not read them, they're very boring. That is followed by a USB cable, that is USB type A to micro USB for charging and data syncing. I think it's high time now we get USB type C in budget smartphones. Next up we have the SIM ejector tools, so yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just take out and insert the SIM using that. Next up are these basic earphones from Samsung. They're appreciated, they're not the best quality, they're not the best comfort, but still Samsung is one of those companies that still includes it, so that's a good thing. Props to Samsung for that. And the last thing in the box is the travel adapter. This is not a fast charger, it is a normal 1.5 amp charger, and again, as I said, it's high time you get fast charging and USB type C in mid-range or budget smartphones. Now talking about the Galaxy J8 2018 itself, it's a pretty budget phone in its entirety, so it's totally made out of metal, but it's not the best looking. Towards the front you have a 720p 6-inch display that is 18:9 in terms of resolution, so that's why the infinity display. So the resolution is 1440 into 720, and it's not bad, but in 2018 when all the phones are going up to Quad HD and 4K and stuff, and even every budget phone that is in its segment has at least 1080p, I think Samsung needs to up their game. And doing a quick one over, towards the front you have a front facing camera that is 16 megapixels, and also flanking that is the earpiece and a front facing flash. Towards the back you have a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup, and the secondary camera does nothing but depth sensing, so it is pretty much a gimmick. Below that is the fingerprint sensor and a flashlight. Also towards the right side you have the speakerphone and the power button below that, and towards the bottom of the phone is a headphone jack, so good thing. Also a micro USB port, and towards the left side you have a SIM ejector tray and the SD card slot, and it is also followed by two volume buttons. Talking about specifications, you have the Snapdragon 450 octa-core CPU. Not the best CPU for the price, there are better phones that are offering the Snapdragon 636 or better, and this is still stuck at the 450. Also you have 4GB of RAM, you have 64GB of storage, and there is expansion. Talking about the cameras, they're pretty decent. You have all the basic modes such as Pro mode, Panorama, Live Focus, that is portrait mode. And yeah, if you have some decent lighting, you can take some really good shots. I'll include some camera samples in the description down below, so you can check out my Instagram to see that, and also I'll put up some camera samples on the screen right now so you can judge for yourself. Also the front camera is a pretty decent one as well, so Samsung is focusing on the selfie people, the people who want a really good front camera. So again, you have a 16 megapixel camera, you have live focus, or selfie focus as I should say, you have beauty mode, and just all the features that you might need. You have stickers and stuff, so if you're into that you can totally use them. Again, if you have really good lighting, if you have decent lighting, this can also pull off some really good shots, and I will make sure to put some samples. Other than that, it is running on Android 8.0 Oreo, which is not the smoothest with Samsung's custom UI that is filled with bloatware. Also Samsung has toned down the UI a little bit in the past few years, but again, it's still Samsung, and this phone will lag or slow down in some time. Also it's packing a 3500 mAh battery, so that's a pretty good deal. And also you have some extra features like face unlock and the really good fingerprint sensor that do their job. The face unlock is a nice touch in the budget segment, and I'm really happy Samsung is doing that. Other than that, my quick opinions on this phone is, if you really want a Samsung phone, if you want a secondary phone or a temporary phone, you can go for it if you are a Samsung lover. Other than that, there's better phones in the market such as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro that retail for the same price and offer way better performance, price to performance as I should say. They have better displays, better battery life, better processing power, better cameras, and in my opinion there are just better phones available apart from the J8. It's not a bad phone, but it's not the best as well. And that's been it. If you want it you can, but I won't recommend it. This is not the first phone on my list when you want a phone when you're spending 18,000 rupees. Other than that, if this was helpful, go ahead and thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the video, the phone, and anything in general. I'll be there replying to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.